Hello, I'm Benvika Fiden Vigilita with a quick news update for BBC News. Australia's art industry is still reeling after the announcement in the latest budget that the Australian Arts Council is to lose $104.8 million from its budget over 4 years. The proposal is for the funds to be used to create the National Center for Excellence in the Arts. The dramatic announcement was made by Minister George Brandis, who said the new center would allow for a truly national approach to arts funding. The much anticipated Vivid Festival opened in Sydney on Friday night, painting the city in a blaze of color with its outdoor art displays and interactive installations. The festival has become the biggest of its kind in the Southern Hemisphere, attracting thousands of visitors. Transport authorities advise people to leave their cars at home and use the public transport system to get to the locations around the city, especially the Rocks, Darling Harbour, the Opera House, and Central Park. Good news for fighters. Australia's top scientists at the CSIRO have developed new software that will give them a more accurate view of fire behavior in real time. The software called Spark is able to forecast a range of potential fire movements, depending on conditions, and is said to change the face of how large destructive places are managed. Dr. Mahesh Prakash of the CSIRO said this information is invaluable to emergency management decision makers for predicting risk, deploying firefighting resources, or planning evacuation routes. A quick look at the weather now, mainly sunny for the Greater Sydney metropolitan area, with a few cloudy patches, temperatures dropping overnight to a chilly 5 degrees and -1 in the Blue Mountains. Don't go away, we are about to cross to the Iwaki Auditorium in Melbourne for a direct broadcast of the Melbourne Symphony Orchestra and Berlioz Symphony Fantastique conducted by Ole Ratner.